In these times of unparalleled convenience, the path to achieving millionaire status has transitioned from a distant aspiration to a palpable reality. This transformation empowers individuals who enthusiastically seize the digital age's opportunities. Their unwavering commitment to pursuing their passions with determination and perseverance serves as the driving force behind this remarkable shift. So in this video, we are going to discuss unbelievable ease of making your first million. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. In a period characterized by relentless innovation and a surge in entrepreneurial spirit, the notion of accumulating a million-dollar fortune has evolved from a formidable challenge into a tangible possibility. This remarkable transformation owes its existence to the advent of modern technology, the democratization of knowledge, and the boundless capacity of human creativity. The ease with which individuals can now embark on the path to their first million serves as a testament to the profound impact of these factors. The rise of the internet, social media, and e-commerce platforms has created a level playing field, allowing aspiring entrepreneurs to reach global markets and connect with customers in ways that were previously unimaginable. The proliferation of online courses, educational resources, and mentorship programs has also made it easier for individuals to acquire the knowledge and skills necessary to launch successful businesses and generate substantial wealth. The emergence of innovative business models, such as the sharing economy, the gig economy, and the rise of freelancing, has opened up new avenues for individuals to monetize their skills and talents in ways that were previously unthinkable. These developments have not only made it easier to make $1 million, but have also made it possible for individuals to achieve financial independence and create sustainable, meaningful careers. In the hazy realm between cliché and viral sensation, a persistent idea circulates. The notion that accumulating wealth is an arduous journey, and the initial $1 million is the most challenging milestone. Although often used humorously by those who find the prospect of building wealth, particularly reaching a $1 million milestone, daunting or unrealistic, there are actually several compelling reasons why this adage holds true. The difference between wealth and income. For starters, it is very important to distinguish between making $1 million and having $1 million. While having an accumulated net wealth of over $1 million is an attainable goal for most people, only a very select few will ever earn that much in a single year. Moreover, earning $1 million paycheck may not leave someone as rich as commonly thought. Recent history abounds with examples of athletes, entertainers, businessmen, and lottery winners squandering their money by throwing away unthinkable amounts of money on frivolities. It is also worth noting that there are many million-dollar earners who do not actually earn $1 million. Someone may own a business that brings $1 million in revenue, but has to pay most of that out in expenses. Likewise, owning $1 million piece of property secured by $2 million in debt is not really being a millionaire. Hard to get started. One of the biggest obstacles to having $1 million in the bank is the slow rate at which people save early in life. While some jobs do offer starting salaries in excess of $60,000, they are the exception. More often, new graduates are scraping by to pay the rent, repay student loans, and still put together enough to have some semblance of a life. Even for those highly disciplined few who can save $10,000 or $15,000 a year, that would take over 66 years to build $1 million with no interest or compounding. But as people advance in age and experience, the picture changes. Not only do people typically see their salaries rise, but they often find that they no longer have to pay so much for those starting expenses. Student debts are paid down, they have the furniture they need, and perhaps they have a romantic partner with whom they can share living expenses. The power of compounding. One of the reasons that the first $1 million is so hard is that it is such a large amount of money relative to where most people begin. To go from $500,000 in assets to $1 million requires a 100% return, a level of performance very hard to achieve in less than 6 years. To go from $1 million to $2 million likewise requires 100% growth, but the next million after that requires only 50% growth, and then 33%, and so on. In fact, many wealthy people can and do live off the interest. That is, they put a chunk of their fortune in a relatively safe collection of income-generating assets and live off of that, allowing them to be more adventurous with the rest. Consider that $1 million invested in a portfolio of AAA-rated corporate bonds would produce in excess of $50,000 of interest income pre-tax, and you can see some of the leverage of passive income and compound interest. Extra wealth means extra options. In at least one key respect, the rich are different. They have access to investment options that regular people do not. Hedge funds are simply not accessible to most people because they do not meet the minimum income or wealth levels established by regulators, to say nothing of the minimums that individual firms/funds impose. It is also hard to invest in ground floor opportunities without wealth. Startups and venture capitalists want to attract millionaires and billionaires, not regular people who can invest a few thousand or even tens of thousands of dollars. Similarly, it can be very difficult to invest in lucrative asset classes like farmland or timberland without a sizable amount of wealth to start. Easy to risk a lot when you have a lot. Risk aversion is another underappreciated obstacle to accumulating and building wealth. When many people are first starting to save and invest, they zealously guard that grub stake against risk for fear of losing it all. Although it is understandable, the fact remains that the ties between risk and reward are hard to break. Though investors may rightly fear the relatively small risk of losing it all, playing it safe means that they are earning lower returns and making it all the more difficult to build towards that first million. A portfolio of bonds and conservative stocks may outpace inflation, but it will make the road to $1 million very long indeed. Conversely, once people have enough wealth that they feel comfortable and not particularly vulnerable to an economic downturn or bear market, they often take bigger risks. Not all wealthy people invest this way, Warren Buffett being a famous example of a wealthy and very conservative investor, but many do. There is no point in minimizing the fact that it is hard to build that first $1 million of wealth, but just because something is difficult is no reason not to try. Try to save as much money as possible, invest that money with a prudent balance between risk and opportunity, and be on a never-ending hunt for ways to work better, smarter, and harder. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.